How to cancel an order on AliExpress, or how do you cancel an AliExpress order? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel an order on AliExpress. Now the process itself is relatively simple and relatively easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and you want to simply open your AliExpress application and you want to log into your account, right, that you ordered from. Here now you want to simply tap on the accounts option that you'll find at the bottom right corner of the screen, the account tab. You tap on it, but here you should get an interface like this, somewhat like this. Now here you get the option that is my orders at the very top, as you can see below my username, and you can see view all option. Simply tap on view all option and you'll be able to see all your orders here. Now you can simply click on cancel order on the particular order that you find it here. I don't have any order, but you can open up the order and tap on cancel order if your payment has not been verified and the order has not been shipped. However, if your payment has already been verified or the order has been shipped, you'll need to contact the seller in order to cancel your order or receive a refund. I'll make a separate video on how you can do so. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.